guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find power saving settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here, now click settings, and here you will find it, power saving settings. Here you can manage it as you want, and that's it for today. That's how to find power saving settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.